Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I have been invited to do a collab, have a Holly Jolly Sweets collab. And this collab was created by Keeping Up with the Griffins. And if y'all can do me a favor and go over and check out their channel and let them know Net sent you. And so I decided I wanted to create a DIY breakable chocolate heart. It's very easy to make and I really hope you guys try this recipe. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is very simple to make. All you're going to need is some candy melts in the color red, some Jet Puff mini marshmallows, and we're going to use these as little snow, and we're going to use some black fondant, and also I have some little chocolate. These are my favorite little chocolates. And then I also have some candy cane. So I'll be using a silicone heart mold, which I got this off of Amazon. I will be sure to leave a link down below so you guys can know where I got these silicones from. So as y'all seen in my last video, I was melting some wafers. So I'm doing the same thing in this video. I'm just waiting for these chocolates to melt down. So I'm gonna go ahead and see through this portion. So here go our chocolate getting melted, and we wanna make sure we give it a good stir to just ensure that all the wafers are melted down. So when you know that your chocolate is melted, it almost have like an oil paint consistency to it. So once it gets to that point, that's when you know that it's time to fill our molds. So now we're going to fill our molds up, and we're going to just go around and paint the sides, making sure we get the chocolate all over the mold. So now we're going to set our mold into the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's completely hard, and then I'll be right back to you. So in the meantime, in between time, we're going to go ahead and cut up this fondant so we could create ourselves a belt. And then I'm going to go ahead and flatten this out with my wooden roller so you guys can kind of get an idea right here. Just make sure it get nice and flat because you want it to stretch on each side of the heart. Now we're going to just take a sharp knife just so we can get those edges nice and smooth and straight. We're just going to make a line down on the sides where you can see that they're really rigid. And we're going to get rid of those rigid pieces because we don't no longer need those. And there go our little belt. Now for the fun part, the assembly. Now I have one of these window boxes that I got from Walmart, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with my marshmallows. And this is just gonna be like the snow in the box. Now this part is optional. You could put anything in the middle, money, gift cards, little pieces of jewelry, rings. Like this is a good idea for any type of occasion. So fill it up to what you like to be in the middle. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove this heart from the silicone mold, which you see is nice and shiny, and it came out really good and nice and hard. And we're just gonna cover our treats up. Look how nice that heart came out. Y'all let me know how y'all like it. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put our belt on, and we're just gonna flatten that fondant out to the side, and then we're gonna add some white chocolate chips just to add a little accent to it. Now I want it to look more festive, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some little candy canes in there. And y'all, doesn't that heart look cute? It look like a little Santa with a belt. Last but not least, we're going to add our little mallets into the box, and voila. It's a simple gift giving and easy to make. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. And thank you guys so much for helping me reach my 500 subscribers. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be where I'm at today. So I do appreciate you guys and y'all constant support. So I hope you guys have a happy holidays and y'all stay safe out there. Until the next video, you guys, peace. Please be sure to check out these other channels that also participated in this collab. Thank you guys. Bye.